Thesis 2021 Innovation Hub Center for the Future Creators. Creativity is thinking of new things. Innovation is doing new things. Innovation is the only sustainable, competitive advantage in every field. We have been seeing the emergence of a new era characterized by the global economy with rapidly changing market dynamics and trends. Focus is now shifting from providing services to innovation and creativity. It is the combination of science and business with knowledge sharing. Innovation Hub enhances the role of students and graduates in communication, innovation, and participation in all that may contribute to attract quality investment for promising sectors. The Innovation Hub connects young researchers and problem solvers with foreign and local investors. The proposal of Innovation Hub helps in promoting entrepreneurship and knowledge sharing in youngsters in today's competitive world. Building a design economy in India is the main aim of this thesis. India has design capacity in the number of patents granted that is approximately 3% of China and less than 2% of USA. India has industrial design capacity that is approximately 1% of China and 6% of the USA. Since 2012, more patents have been granted to Indian entities abroad than the number of patents granted by the Indian government to either resident or non-resident entities within India. Make in India Act was passed to develop local businesses. Made in India can overtake Made in China in near future for one big reason. China has to pay more to its workers, which raise output cost and makes goods expensive. Fields of innovations. Designing always goes with science and technology. So, product designing and science and technology are two main fields to be involved. Product design comes under many categories from which industrial design, communication design, etc. are taken up. Science and technologies, which comes under research and development. The site is located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. It is exactly in Avinashi Road, Peelamedu, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore is the third largest city of the state, one of the most industrialized cities in Tamil Nadu. There are more than 25,000 small, medium, large-scale industries and textile mills are situated. Coimbatore is also famous for foundry and automobile industries, manufacturing of textile industry equipments, spares, motor pump sets, wet grinders, and varied engineering goods and services. Education. Coimbatore is one of the very important educational city in South India. Coimbatore is also home for many state-owned universities. It ranks top 10 in India and second in Tamil Nadu, next to Chennai in science and technology. Industries. The city is the second largest software producer in Tamil Nadu, next only to Chennai. The software development is set to take an upswing with the launch of Tidal Park and other private IT parks around the city. Coimbatore is also emerging as an IT and BPO city. It is ranked at the 17th place among the global outsourcing cities. The city houses large number of small-scale engineering companies. Site area 49,574 square meter, that makes up 12.25 acre. Location 63 Avinashi Road, Peelamedu, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Approach towards the site. 4 sides are covered with road, main access through Avinashi Road, surrounded by institutions, industries, and the tech parks with all the infrastructural amenities. Site analysis. The approach towards the site is from Avinashi Coimbatore Road, Codisa Trade Fair Road on 2 sides. It is surrounded by commercial zone, institutes, auditorium, etc. One side of the road goes towards Avinashi and the other side goes towards central Coimbatore. The junction which connects Avinashi Coimbatore Road, Airport Road and Kalpati Road acts as a main junction. The accessibility from 2 main roads. It falls under tropical wet and dry climate. Noise from main roads are high and the other side are consecutively low. The wind flows from northeast. Some of the on-site and off-site photos. Citra Auditorium, Codisa Trade Fair Complex Road, Junction which links all the 4 main roads, PSG College, Arvind Eye Hospital, site filled with full of shrubs, creepers, plants and grass. Bus stand at each end of the site towards the main road and railway at 3.27 kilometers with travel distance of 10 minutes to Peelamedu railway station and airport at 1.8 kilometers with travel distance of 5 minutes to Coimbatore airport. Pedestrians, fully maintained footpath with buffer spaces provided in the front. Special study. Play of daylighting in architecture. A room is not a room without natural light. Natural lighting plays a major role in workspaces, which improves satisfaction and productivity in users. Natural light reduces the need of artificial lighting during the daytime hours. Energy costs are lowered. This has to be a positive impact on environment. Maximize the benefits of natural light in office spaces by including biophilic elements, adding indoor plants and fountains make spaces feel calmer and improve satisfaction, which is influenced by windows, obstacles, etc. Types of daylighting systems: single side lighting, bilateral lighting, sky lighting, a light well, light shelf, external reflectors, atrium, light duct, clerestory, roof monitors or double clerestory, reflective blinds, light pipes, anti-glare components, side lighting, stop lightings, living, evening, summer, winter, trellis, planters. Concept: nature between walls. Bringing nature environment into the building by the means of daylighting. Lighting plays a major role in an enclosed space. Sunlight sensors. Sunlight sensor detects sunlights and the facades act according to the needs. Atrium space. To provide an artificial water body to create a cooling effect, and it also creates a pleasant environment in the built space. Providing different layer of atrium at different floors to get maximum amount of daylighting. Based on site analysis. Summer blooming trees acts as a shading device in summer and sheds during winter to give maximum amount of lighting in winter. Two-sided top light, exhibition spaces, reflected lightings. One-sided top light, exhibition spaces, reflected lighting. Acts as a spotlight. Workspaces. Swing furniture in informal workshop space, resisted seating in informal workshop space, informal meeting spaces, seaters, outdoor working spaces, informal workshop space, lecture halls, meeting rooms. Niched wall with seaters, corridor light creates a pattern, library spaces with informal reading space, staircase acts as seatings, and few other sketches are listed. And now let's get into the walkthrough. for your time.